In this video, I will show you how you can disable the autofill whenever you're typing an address or something. So first what you need to do, guys, is you need to open up Google Chrome. Once you have opened it, it should look like this. You should see three dots in the top right corner. You click on them. From in here, you should have something that says passwords and autofill. Hover it, go to addresses and more. Now from in here, you should be able to see your addresses, and you can add some and you can remove them. But if you disable right here, if you click on this and you disable it, then it will no longer autofill whenever you're buying something online or whatever you're doing. So it's that simple, guys. You just open Google Chrome, go to the settings button, click passwords and autofill, addresses and more, and then you disable it in here or remove your address. That's how you do it, guys.